Ever noticed how shoppers scroll through your product page, read details, but forget to scroll back up to click Add to Cart? That small gap can cost you sales. That's why we built Crucials, the all-in-one BigCommerce app with over 30 tools to help you sell more, including the powerful sticky Add to Cart feature. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to the Sticky Add to Cart app and enable it in just one click. From here, you can customize it to match your brand, change the button color, background color, font size, and even where it appears on the screen. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit save and check it out live. Now, no matter how far your customer scrolls, the Add to Cart button is always in reach. Sticky Add to Cart is just one of over 30 tools in Crucials designed to boost sales and improve your BigCommerce store. Try it today and see the difference.